Welcome, in front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if your device doesn't accept your lock screen PIN code. So, to begin, if you forgot your PIN code and there is no chance that you can remember it again, then in such case the best solution for you would be to contact the Google customer support service, tell them about your issue and show them the proof of the ownership of the smartphone so that they know that this phone is yours. For example, this could be a receipt you have from the store. Then once you do all of that, they will be most probably will be able to help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any data from it. And in case this option is unavailable for you, you can perform a factory reset operation on this phone. To do that, you can either use a Find Hub service by Google or recovery mode if you want to do this locally. So to do it remotely, you can open the web browser or on any other device that you have, and go to Find Hub website. Then on Find Hub website, sign into your Google account, select the other device, select this device on the list. So this would be Google Pixel 10 Pro, but I'm gonna select Google Pixel 10 since I'm using Google Pixel 10 Pro and it's not gonna show me the same settings for it. Now what you're gonna have to do is click this gear icon and then select factory reset operation, and then perform a reset. And as you can see, all data will be permanently erased from this phone. But after the reset, the device location, it's not what I wanted to tell you, but after the reset, your device will be once again available for you, and you'll be able to set it up as a new device. So the other way to perform a factory reset is by using a recovery mode, but if you don't know how to access the recovery mode, we have an entire video on our channel where we're gonna explain you everything step by step. So if you need to know how to perform factory reset locally on your device, look for hard reset or factory reset through recovery mode on Google Pixel 10 Pro. You can once again find this video on our channel. Now let's for example, let's assume that you do remember your screen lock screen pattern, but your phone simply doesn't accept it on this page. What you can do in such situation? Well, you don't have to remove anything from your phone. Instead, you can just go to the safe mode, where no third-party applications will affect the way that your lock screen behaves, and you'll be able to regain access to your device simply by entering the right PIN code. So to do this, press power button and volume up key at the same time, then press and hold power off option, and then click OK right here and wait until your device is restarted in the safe mode. When your device in the safe mode, this indicator will appear in the bottom left corner of your screen. And right now, if you enter the right lock screen pattern, you'll be able to access your device. Now, after you do that, go to settings, then go to security and privacy section right here, go to device unlock, then go to screen lock, enter your pattern once again and select none to remove your lock screen pattern. Now you just have to press power button and volume up keys at the same time. Then wait until your device is restarted, and after that you'll be able to use your device as normally, just like you did before. And that's basically it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.